Welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are working on a 2012 Chevy Camaro V6. We are doing the thermostat and the housing. If you look here, it is in between bank 1 and bank 2 in the rear of the engine. It's not too hard, but it is kind of hard, so if you commit yourself you can definitely do it. And if I show you the steps right here, it's not too hard. So what I do is I actually pull the thermostat out. That's a new one. But when I go to pull the thermostat, I actually pull the thermostat along with the piping as one unit. Alrighty, enjoy the video. Howdy y'all, we made it to the end of the video. I'm going to use my cowboy accent here and let y'all know that the job is completed. In the rear of the engine here, thermostat you see here is bolted up to the plumbing on the piping there. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm your boy AD. And please share the videos. I'm your boy AD again. I'm out. Peace.